What if I told you that you could create Hollywood-quality cinematic videos without a camera, without actors, and without spending thousands of dollars on equipment? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Hailuo AI, a revolutionary tool that's changing the game for content creators everywhere. If you've ever wanted to create stunning cinematic content but felt overwhelmed by the technical complexity or the high costs involved, you're not alone. Traditional video production requires expensive equipment, professional lighting, skilled actors, and extensive post-production knowledge. But what if there was a simpler way? Enter Hailuo AI, an artificial intelligence platform that can generate breathtaking cinematic videos from simple text descriptions. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, filmmaker, or just someone who loves creating visual stories, this tool can help you produce professional quality videos in minutes, not months. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Hailuo AI. We'll cover the basics, explore 3 detailed examples with actual prompts, and I'll share insider tips to help you create truly cinematic masterpieces. Hailuo AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence video generation platform that transforms text prompts into high-quality video content. Think of it as having a virtual film crew at your fingertips. You provide the creative vision through text, and Hailuo AI handles the cinematography, lighting, movement, and visual effects. What makes Hailuo AI special? First, it creates videos with cinematic quality. We're talking about smooth camera movements, professional lighting, and realistic scenes. Second, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any technical background to start creating. Third, it's fast. What would take weeks in traditional production can be done in minutes. And finally, it's versatile. From product demos to storytelling, the possibilities are endless. Getting started is straightforward. Simply visit the Hailuo AI website, create your account, and you'll be ready to begin. Most platforms offer a free tier to get you started, so you can experiment without any upfront investment. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface. The main element is the prompt box where you'll type your video descriptions. You'll also see options for video duration, aspect ratio, and style preferences. Don't worry if this seems overwhelming at first. We'll dive into each element as we go through our examples. The workflow is beautifully simple. Write your prompt, select your settings, hit generate, and wait for your cinematic masterpiece. But the magic happens in how you craft your prompts, and that's what we'll focus on next. Creating cinematic videos with AI is all about prompt engineering. A great prompt has 3 key components: the subject or main focus, the visual style and cinematography, and the mood or atmosphere. Think of it like directing a film. You need to communicate your vision clearly to your AI crew. For cinematic results, always include camera angles like wide shot, close-up, or drone view. Specify lighting conditions such as golden hour, dramatic shadows, or soft natural light. Don't forget movement. Describe camera movements like slow zoom, sweeping pan, or tracking shot. Finally, set the mood with descriptive words like mysterious, uplifting, intense, or serene. Let's start with our first example, an epic landscape video perfect for travel content or nature documentaries. Here's the prompt I'll use: a breathtaking aerial drone shot slowly revealing a misty mountain range at golden hour. The camera starts close to pine trees in the foreground, then smoothly pulls back and rises to reveal snow-capped peaks extending into the distance. Warm orange and pink light bathes the landscape. Cinematic color grading, 4K quality, dramatic lighting, peaceful and awe-inspiring mood. Notice how specific I am about the camera movement, lighting, and emotional tone. This level of detail is crucial for cinematic results. This prompt works because it combines several cinematic elements. The drone shot gives us that epic scale, the golden hour lighting creates natural drama, and the smooth camera movement adds professional polish. The specific mention of cinematic color grading tells the AI to apply that film-like visual treatment we associate with professional productions. When this prompt is processed, you'll typically get a stunning 5 to 10-second clip with smooth camera movement, beautiful lighting transitions, and that epic feel you'd expect from a nature documentary. This type of video is perfect for website headers, social media content, or as B-roll footage for larger projects. Our second example focuses on character and storytelling, essential for narrative content. Here's the prompt. A young woman in a flowing red dress walks slowly through an abandoned library filled with floating books and glowing dust particles, shot with a steady cam following behind her at medium distance. Dramatic side lighting streams through tall Gothic windows, creating long shadows. The books gently float, and pages turn by themselves. Mysterious and magical atmosphere, cinematic depth of field, muted colors with red dress as the focal point. This prompt creates a narrative moment while incorporating fantastical elements that would be impossible or extremely expensive to film traditionally. Let's break down why this works cinematically. The steady cam following behind creates viewer engagement. We're literally following the story. The dramatic side lighting adds visual interest and mood. The cinematic depth of field ensures our subject stands out from the background. And the muted colors with red dress as focal point creates a strong visual hierarchy. This type of video is perfect for storytelling, book trailers, fantasy content, or any project where you need to create an otherworldly atmosphere. The key is balancing realistic human elements with fantastical touches that AI excels at creating. Our final example demonstrates how to create compelling product videos with cinematic flair. Extreme close-up macro shot of a luxury watch on a marble surface. The camera slowly orbits around the watch, while dramatic rim lighting highlights the metal details. Tiny reflections dance across the watch face. The background gradually shifts from deep shadow to warm, ambient light. Professional product photography lighting, ultra-sharp focus, premium and sophisticated mood, slow motion effect. This prompt transforms a simple product shot into a cinematic experience that conveys luxury and quality. Product cinematics like this are incredibly valuable for e-commerce, advertising, and brand content. Instead of static product photos, you're creating an emotional connection with your audience. The slow motion, dramatic lighting, and camera movement all contribute to perceived value, making any product appear more premium and desirable. Here are my top tips for consistently cinematic results. First, always specify camera movements and angles. This is what separates amateur from professional-looking content. Second, lighting is everything. Include specific lighting descriptions like rim lighting, dramatic shadows, or soft diffused light. Third, mention cinematic color grading or film-like quality to get that professional visual treatment. From a creative standpoint, less is often more. Focus on one main subject or action per video. Use contrast, both visual and emotional, to create impact. Don't forget about pacing. Words like slowly, gradually, or smooth help create that cinematic rhythm. Finally, always include an emotional descriptor. This helps the AI understand the mood you're trying to create. Today, we've explored how Hailuo AI can transform simple text descriptions into cinematic masterpieces. We've seen how detailed prompts combining camera work, lighting, and mood can create professional quality videos across different genres, from epic landscapes to character narratives to product showcases. Your homework is simple. Try creating your own cinematic video using one of the prompt structures we've discussed today. Start with something simple, experiment with different elements, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Remember, every great filmmaker started with a single shot, and now you have the tools to create yours. The future of video creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever before.